Bybit is an exchange I'm loving right now. If you have been following my channel, you'll notice that I have made a good number of videos covering different features and money-making opportunities on Bybit. What I want to cover in today's video is the Launchpool and how to make 89% monthly profits from the Bybit Launchpool. This is going to be a straightforward video. To use this feature, all you have to do is to create a Bybit account and verify it. I'll leave a link in the description for you to do that. The Bybit Launchpool is a way to stake and earn tokens for free on Bybit. You can choose to unstake your tokens at any time you want. Bybit has hosted a number of tokens in the Launchpool and one is currently live right now, and that is the OKG token. It is a native token of a strategy GameFi project called Okinga. Now, the APY offered here is 1090.35%. This is the APY, which is the annual percentage yield. If we divide this by 365, we'll have a daily percentage yield of 2.987%. Now, multiply by 30, I will have a monthly percentage yield of 89.6%. Now, let me go to the app and show you how to take part in this project. If you open the Bybit app here, of course you must have downloaded and done your KYC at this time. Then this is a home page. If you click on this more here, you can see under the end section you will see Launchpool. You click on it. Now the Launchpool available is this OKG pool, and what they have to distribute is 500,000 OKG. Now I'll just go ahead and stake. What I have to do is I have to actually buy the OKG token, then stake it to earn this percentage APY, 1090.35%. So first I need to buy this, and the minimum I can stake is 100 OKG. So what I would do is, let me click on this X here, then back. I have to go to my wallet. If you go to my wallet and deposit, right now I have $100 in my spot account. If you don't have money here, just click on deposit here, then click on USDT. You see the wallet address, ERC, TRC, whichever you want, and deposit money into here. If you want to deposit using Naira, I did a separate video on it. I'll leave the link in the description. But I have USDT already, but what I need is OKG. What I'll do is I'll come down to this button where it says trade. I'll click on trade. I'll click on this coin pair, PLY USDT. I'll click on it. Then in this search button, I'll search for OKG. So I have OKG and this USDT. So I want to buy $50 worth of OKG. So here I'll click on 50. So it's giving me 989 OKG. Mind you, the minimum we need is 100 OKG. So this we do. So I click on buy. So my order has been processed. If I go back to my assets and I say I have $100 here, if I click on the spot wallet, you can now see and I have 50 USDT and 986 OKG. What I will do now is to transfer this OKG to my earn assets wallet. So if I click on back, I have this in my spot wallet. I have to transfer it to my earn, right? So I'll click on transfer here. I'm transferring from spot to not derivative. I'll click on derivative and choose earn. Then the coin I'm transferring is not BTC. I'll click on this BTC, then search for OKG. I want to transfer everything. I'll click on this all here and click on transfer. It has moved now from my spot wallet to my earn wallet. I'll now go back, click on the home page, then click on this more here, then click on Launchpool. Now I can now go and I'll click on stake now. So you can see that I have it is showing now. Now I'll click on this maximum because I want to stake everything. If I don't want to stake everything, I just put the amount I want to stake. I'll now click on stake. So yeah, the order is successful, confirmed. So I've staked it. I'll be earning this percentage on OKG every month. If I want to see my stake, I'll go back to assets. You see that my N has increased. Now if I click on this N, I can now see under the launch pool. If I click on it, I can see the OKG I have staked here. That is simple, right? Now I need to mention this. Some people may ask, what is the risk in investing in Launchpool? The risk I can think of is the coin you are investing in might drop in value. If the drop in value is drastic, you might be breaking even or losing your money. But the coin might also gain value, giving you a much higher value for your money than the APY. That said, Bybit also has what is called the Launchpad. Don't confuse it with the Launchpool. Launchpool. The Launchpad is a way for you to buy a token before it is launched or listed for everyone else to buy. Now, most of the tokens listed on the Bybit Launchpad has done over 1000%, which is over 10 times your investment. If you want to know how to take part, then watch this next video.